how to do yellow on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to do YOLO on Snapchat. So guys, if you wanna do YOLO on Snapchat, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, let's go to Instagram application. And then after going to Instagram application, what you have to do is go back and first go back to your Google Play Store and then search for yellow animals Q&A. So you can see here an option, so just click here and then you have to install this application first for Snapchat. This application is for Snapchat, so you have to download this from Google Play Store. Just type YOLO. So after installing this, what you have to do is you have to watch the video to understand the full tutorial. So let's get started. So this is this apps has been downloaded. So now you have to click on open and then just click on login with Snapchat here. So after clicking to login with Snapchat, just you can click on continue here. And then it will redirect to you on the yellow page. Now you can see here, you find an option and get an anonymous message. So just click here and then you can just type for your yellow here, YOLO. See your. So now after typing your yellow, you can just click on the option as share option here. So just click on share option and then it will redirect to you on Snapchat camera. So now just click one random picture and then you can see here you can adjust your yellow here, and then you have to click on the right option, arrow option, send to option here. So now just click here and then click to my story and send it. So guys, it is on a process, so it has been added to your story. Let's check it out. Let's check it out on the story. So guys, you can see here your yellow has been updated. So guys, this is how you can do yellow on Snapchat, guys. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, and if it is helpful for you, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.